Hello, this is Stephen Armstrong from Armstrong & Glenn. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay your GST through online banking. You need to have a corporate bank account in order to pay your GST online. In order to pay your GST online, this is the information you will need. Your reporting period start date, your reporting period end date, your due date, and your GST business number. The best way to get this information is from your paperwork from the CRA. They'll mail you this out to you. And this is where it's all located in the top right hand corner. If you don't have this piece of paper, ask your accountant for this information and they should easily be able to provide it to you in email. And if you don't have an accountant, call the CRA and ask them for this information and they'll provide it to you. The first step is to log into your online banking. For online banking here, I am in RBC. Then you want to go to Pay Bills and Transfer Funds. And then click on Tax Filing Service. If you don't have a corporate bank account, you will not be able to find this tax filing service, so that's why you need it. If you're not using RBC, find the tax filing service in your online banking. I'm happy to show other banks if needed. Let me know in the comments if you have another bank you would like me to show. If this is the first time that you're clicking on tax filing service, it will ask you to agree to terms and conditions and your contact information. Fill this in and click on tax filing service again and it'll show you this, what I have up on the screen right now. Click continue. To make a payment to your GST account, choose Federal GST HST Payment GST/P, the one I'm choosing right now. Then click Next. For the GST account number, it's going to be a 15-digit number ending in RT0001. You'll be able to find that on your GST return that the CRA mailed you in. So this is a 15-digit code ending in the RT0001. Then click on Add this payment type. So this has been added. Next, you want to click on the main menu. You're going to click to select your GST payment and then click on Make a Payment. This information they're asking for, your period start date, period end date, due date, is all indicated on your GST return that they mail you in the mail. On the top right hand corner, you'll find the due date, your business number, which is what you need to be filling out for the tax account to pay, and the reporting period. So the first date in your reporting period is your start date and the last date is your end date. For the date, I'm going to put in for 2015 for the calendar year. So the start date will be January 1st, 2015. Period end date will be the 31st of December 2015. And the due date will be the 31st of March 2016. For this amount, I'm going to choose the amount owing. I'm just going to put in $1, actually 0.01 cents. And that's because usually I net file. So if you net file, this is the payment you want to do. This is for if you have installments, you're going to want to put in that amount. That's when you're prepaying your GST. And then audit assessment is if the CRA assessed you additional funds. The one thing to watch though here at the end is to make sure that your total payment is the amount you want to pay. If you put this number in 2 cells, it'll double the amount. So you want to make sure that this is the actual amount you want to pay. I'm going to change this for the next day. You always have to do this the day before it's due. It takes 1 day to process. So today is January 25th, 2016. So I'm going to say the 26th of January 2016. And then click on the pay button. You want to double check all your information here and make sure that it is correct. And then click confirm. And this is your confirmation that you've made a payment. So one of the big things you want to do here is you want to hit Control P to print your screen. And then you're going to want to save this as a PDF in your backup. Just in case if your payment gets applied to a different business number or anything like that, this will give you the backup you need to be able to trace where your payment was done. So that's why this is very essential. Then you're going to want to sign off. So with that, you've paid your GST. This is not filing your GST. I'm going to do a different YouTube video that I put a link in the bottom here for to show you how to net file your GST. Yeah, but that allows you to pay your GST online when you're a corporation. Thank you for your time, and if you have any accounting questions, you can find me at www.armstrongglen.ca. We offer services such as T2 corporate tax returns, bookkeeping, notice to reader, financials, review engagements, and correcting books.